This video will show you how to identify the name of a fastener and how to import it from CATIA catalog. From the Canvas page, you will be able to see the fastener general information sheet. In this sheet, you will be able to identify the name of the fastener. Look at the head. It is a hexagon socket head. If you continue to scroll down, compare it to the picture, you can see it's a socket screw. Now we are ready to make the measurement. Use a caliper in the inch system to determine the diameter of the polished cylinder, which should be around 0.25 inches. Next, you want to measure the length of the polished cylinder, which should be around 1.25 inches. Remember the two parameters you measured, and then go to the Assembly Design Workbench. From the Assembly Design Workbench, you want to go to the Mechanical Standard Parts and then use ASME ANSI catalog to look for the specific fasteners. We are looking for the screws. So first look for the screws, and then you will be able to see all different kinds of the screws. The one we are looking for, it is the hexagon socket head shoulder screw, the number 6 from the top list. In the blue color window, double click the name. After that, you will be able to see the different size of the hexagon socket head shoulder screw. Remember the diameter and the length we measured? So you want to look for quarter diameter, 1.25 as the length. So scroll down, make sure you carefully make the right selection. You want to double click it, and then you click OK. Now close the window. You can click the plus sign to open the part body. You will be able to see the different tools used to create this screw. Especially you can pay attention to the last feature listed as the thread. So here, the thread feature was added, and it was created by using the thread icon. Thread icon is specially used to create the external thread. The name of this screw is super long, so we can shorten this long name and save the work at this moment. Make sure you can right-click the name from the specification tree, and then you change the instance name and the part number. However, because we are working in the Assembly Design Workbench, you actually have the CAD product file and CAD part file both automatically created by CATIA, but we only need a part. So once you are ready to save the file, make sure you carefully select the part file, not the product file, to save the work. Once you have the work saved, make sure you can go back to the folder to delete the product file. You only want to leave the part file since the screw is a part, not a product.